What's up, beautiful people? My name is Sarah Jane, and you are tuned in to day 6 of Abs, where we work on our abs every single day for 21 days straight. The objective of this challenge is for us to consistently work on our abs so that we can see a change in our abdominal and stomach section. If you're new and you haven't checked out the rest of the videos, you can check them out right here. But without further ado, let's get into the exercises. So the first exercise you see us doing here is probably familiar to you if you've been doing the last couple of videos. This is an alternate cross crunch, and so in the video that we did prior, we were doing this with our legs fully up in the air, but this time around we're doing it with our knees, so it's definitely less intense. However, it still has the same effects and works the same muscle groups. Like I said, anything that works the obliques, I'm down for it. We need to slim and thin out that waist, and that comes from working out your obliques, doing a lot of exercises that incorporate alternating movements. So this exercise is probably something that's similar to you. In another video, we did heel taps where we kind of alternated on 2 different sides to tap the heels. We are focusing all our attention on tapping the heels and really working our lower ab section. As you can see, my body goes up and my pooch goes in. This was one of my favorite exercises of the entire day, and this is called the alternating bird dog, and this is more so a stabilization exercise, and stabilizing your core is super important for everyday movement and just life in general. So though it may not be a directly ab exercise, it does work multiple parts of your body and stabilizes your core. It's one of those exercises I did forever because I really enjoyed it, so the clip is super long. The next exercise you see me doing here is called the glute bridge, and so you may be asking yourself, Sarah Jane, why are you doing a glute bridge? Are glute bridges not just for building your glutes and getting a better butt? Yes, but the glute bridge is also a very versatile exercise, and so it helps to not only help you build your glutes, but it helps you reduce lower back pain, and it works the hamstrings, your lower back, abs, and your glutes. So it's a very beneficial exercise to include into your daily regimen that makes sure to cover a bunch of different muscle groups. And the final exercise for today was, I had to throw in a variation of a plank with leg raises. This again was definitely top 3 of my favorite exercises of today. And again, it's just putting yourself on an elbow plank and lifting those legs. This one definitely was a little bit more difficult, but again, it was just something that I enjoyed because there was just a lot of movement and it wasn't too cardio-esque, but I still got to do my plank. So that's all, folks. This has been day 6 of Abs, and we work on our abs every single day for 21 days straight. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video, and I can't believe it's been a week already. Like, we've been working on our abs for 7 days straight. Thank you so much for watching. This has been your friend SJ, and I'm documenting the process.